Hello, everyone. We're looking at the Dow here, and this is a situation where I really think we're looking at a market that's just way overextended. When we look at this, and I just want to kind of point out the two ranges that um, that we felt that were going to be very significant. This was the one we talked about. It was 18,350. It hit 18,351. And then this was the next one. We said 18,200, and we really hit very, very close to that. We hit 18,188 and 81. So we're pretty close there, and we could see that it's just not breaking. So in reality, as I said, I would be really short this marketplace, or especially the Dow, or thinking that we're going to see this come down much more. It's much more probable than we are going to continue to break higher. At least I'm very concerned of the strength of this. And if we start to break through these some of these levels, I would say the 17,750 level, I would start to look for some of the doors, or at least be careful of getting out of some positions, because I do think that we're way overextended. You're still in an uptrend, but it's been stagnating for quite a while here. Look at March. I mean, this is what I've been talking about. Even in January, we really haven't went too far in the marketplace. We're just chopping it up in here, and this could be distribution taking place at a top. So traders, you have to be really, and longer term investors, you got to be careful in here. It's difficult to trade these kind of scenarios, and that's been hurting us a little bit since we did rather well in the beginning of the year, and we got a little bit chopped up in this kind of market because it's not trending very nicely. But we've done okay, and I think we'll see a lot to the downside, in my opinion. This is one that could, if we start to really see it come in, it can come down to easily to 15,000 to possibly 12,000 on the Dow. So that could really be, we could be losing about 5,000 points. This is not, anything to mess with. But this could hold out even longer, running sideways. I'm not saying, and people are going to be, well, what is it? Is it going down? Is it, listen, this is not how it all works. I'm not going to say, oh, on this date, this is going to happen, which I have done. But what I'm saying is that we're not seeing any real advancement. We're seeing a very sluggish market, and that could be very, very dangerous, especially if you start taking out these lows. If you take out these lows, we're going to see some significant moves to the downside. Now, that will present a lot of good opportunities for those people that are trading, but just try to protect your assets at this point and keep very tight stops on some of the trades you're in.